Did you know that you can personalize Contruent's Power BI dashboards entirely on your own, or even build new ones from scratch with no vendor support? Let me show you how. I'm just going to click on the Power BI dashboards, which I already have open. And since I have edit rights, I'm going to click on edit. And now I can simply either edit the existing dashboard, but my advice is for you to save as. So you create a copy of the standard Power BI dashboard. Just give it a name. Let's just call this custom dashboard v2, and you save. And now I'm already in it's going to load for me a new version of those dashboards. Now I have the edit rights. Now you can start editing away. So you have access to the data model on the right side. You can also access all the different visualizations. As an example, if you wanted to, maybe, I don't know, change the title over here. Let's just go there. You can just go to title, just call this just budget distribution as an example. That's it, and now it's just saved. So now you want to save it, you just save, and that's it. Now everyone, when they log in, that's what they're going to see, and you can see the full list of reports that you have. And that's your Contruent tip for today.